Wyandotte versus Mark Foley, 241762.
Ready, Your Honor, Neil LeBlanc on behalf of Mark Foley, who appears via Zoom from the jail.
All right, Gordy, can you please sit on mute for me, please? All right, thank you. And so, Mr. Foley, your name for the record, please.
Your name?
Mark Patrick Foley.
Okay, and counsel, as to the arraignment?
Yes, as to the arraignment, my client waives formal reading and stands me to the charge.
The court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment. Looks like we have one more on Wednesday, Ally.
Yeah, you can pick whatever.
Yeah, we're already,
6 p.m.
yeah, 6 p.m. seems to be probably about the time it's gonna happen, because we have 84 cases already that day.
Your Honor, I'm not on CAT schedule for Wednesday, but this
Did
is an
you receive
arraignment.
the email for help?
We can just throw it on top. I did, but I've got 2 cases I'm already following.
Yeah, are you free in the evening? We probably still need help in the evening that day. All right.
Night court.
So, yeah. All right, December 17th at, I'll say 10 o'clock. I have no idea what time we're gonna actually get to you, sir, but we'll do our best. All right, as to bond counsel.
As the bond, Your Honor, my client's a 60-year-old man. He is been living in Wyandotte at the same owns his home. He's been living there for about 50 years steady. He's still working. He's here on Valley Steel for like 25 years. He tells me he's not on probation or parole anywhere. He's never failed to appear for court, and he would appear anywhere, anytime the court requires him to. We'd ask the court for a personal bond.
I kind of feel like he was recently here, was he not?
I have no knowledge.
Sir, have you been here before?
You have to say yes or no.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that's what I thought. And so when were you last here, sir?
Pardon?
When were you last here?
When was I last year? Last year, right here.
Right.
Yeah.
So are you still under the influence of anything?
Yes. Yes.
You're
I am.
currently under the influence of something?
No, I ain't.
No.
They threw me in jail. I've been in jail for a long time.
Since yesterday evening. Okay, all right, well, so are you under the care of a treating physician at all?
Pardon?
Are you under the care of a physician?
No, I ain't. No, I ain't. No, I ain't.
Okay, I'm not sure. Okay. All right, well, here's what the court's going to do. The court has some concern for the safety of Mr. Foley. And I think it would be best for Mr. Foley to have an alcohol tether to assist him in maintaining sobriety. So I'm going to also make sure he's not returning to Cahalan's party store or any other party store or liquor store.
No. That'd be well, we work for me.
What's that?
That'll work for me.
Well, good. I'm glad that goes, sir.
Yeah, I'll wear a tether, no problem.
What's that?
An alcohol tether.
Sir, are you sure you're not under the care of any treating physician?
Pardon?
Are you sure you don't treat with a doctor regularly?
No. I'm very to see you.
You're
I
right.
don't have, no, I'm an alcoholic, so.
Okay, so I'm just wondering, sir, if you've had any diagnosis of anything such as, encephalopathy or anything like that, sir? Because I just have some concerns with some of your
No, I don't have
cognitive.
nothing. I don't have nothing. It's over, right?
Okay. All right, well, the court's going to, I'm just gonna note, sir, for the record, that I do think that you might have something going on.
Yes, I do.
With,
It follows me the rest of my life.
what's that?
It follows me the rest of my life, alcohol.
Okay. Well, sir,
I'm an
I think
alcoholic.
I think that perhaps you should be evaluated by a physician. What's that?
Straight as an arrow. They put me in jail. Put me in jail. I've been in jail for a long time.
Okay, you've been in since last evening, but I have two things, sir, that you might need to be evaluated. So I'm going to order $7,500 personal bond. You're not to be released without an alcohol tether through the Wayne County Jail. I'm going to mark the file medical so that you can get medical attention, sir, because I think you do need to be evaluated by a doctor.
Yes, no, I'll wear a tether. I don't have no problem wearing a tether. Alcohol tether.
Right. Well, you have the option of having EMS, he's gainfully employed, you can pay for it, I believe, rather than going to county jail for an undetermined period of time. I don't know what the backlog is to get a tether. He's charged with a
Sir,
relatively minor offense. He might wind up doing 2 weeks just for administrative reasons.
well, I understand that, no, I understand that, but I also think too that sometimes it's a bit more effective when Wayne County is monitoring it for those purposes. Mr. Foley, do you have the ability, do you have an ability to pay for a tether on your own?
Oh, I had a tether before. You put an alcohol tether on me before.
Mr. Foley, do you have
I paid for it, then Wayne County took it off. It was like $1,500. I paid for it, and then Wayne County took it off.
Mayor? Mr. Foley, you have access to $200 today.
$200 today?
Oh, $200. You can come up with $200 to bring that up.
When I'm in jail. How am I gonna do that when I'm in jail?
You have a wallet in your pocket when you were arrested? Can you call somebody that can come in with $200? I'm trying to save you from going to Wayne County Jail for a couple of weeks. That's up to
I've
you.
been in jail. I've been in jail since, I don't know. I've been, how long have I been there?
Counsel, I do think that it would be in your client's best interest if he does take the ride downtown or down to Wayne County Jail. They do have medical staff available, because I do think that he needs some evaluation of some sort. I'm not sure if the cognitive issues are something underlying medical or as a result of the alcohol. I'm not sure. But there's
That
something.
follows me the rest of my life. That follows me the rest of my life.
Okay.
My father was an alcoholic, and I'm an alcoholic. You understand, you see that, I'm an alcoholic. My father was an alcoholic, my grandfather was an alcoholic.
Okay, well,
And I got that gene, I have that gene, so.
okay, so the court's going to mark the file medical, so you can receive medical evaluation at the Wayne County Jail, and, he can have a tether, through the, Wayne County Jail. And, he'll also be supervised if he's going through any withdrawals at this point. Otherwise, if he's not in Wayne County
Okay,
Jail.
let's go to Wayne County.
He's going through withdrawals with his tether.
I understand.
All right, thank you. All right, so,
Return date,
Wednesday.
oh, I'm sorry, didn't hear you. I've got it.